We're gonna go over crunch wraps today. They're so good. This starts off with some of my favorite Mexican pantry staples. So I've got the pickled onions that I made in the last video. Check that out. Queso Oaxaca. And then some cacique chorizo. I grew up on this stuff. Delicious. And then over here, I've got some old corn tortillas. I'm just gonna fry these up real quick. Got a little bit of rice oil. I'm just gonna puff these up. Now I just want these to get a little bit crispy because what we're gonna do is make a little tostada that's gonna go into our flour tortilla. Okay, now I'm just gonna make a little seasoning for this. A little bit of citric acid for some pop, paprika, garlic powder, and then some kosher salt. And this is gonna be my tostada seasoning. There's our tostadas. Now we could just season these generously with our tostada seasoning. Let these cool aside. And now to the chorizo. What I do is I'll just cook this off real quick. I like these because they come in the tube. You just squeeze them on out. And then I'll add a touch of rice oil so I can render that off and have some extra fat. That goes on the heat. So now we're just cooking it off until it's nice and rendered just like this. There's our chorizo. For my cheese filling, I'm doing queso Oaxaca. This is a nice melty cheese. And you could actually take this cheese, toss it in the oven with some chorizo, and it'll melt perfectly. But this is gonna be for my filling. So what I'll do is just take a little nub and I'm gonna grate it. And then for the outer layer, I'm gonna do some cheddar cheese. Let's do this little nub. Same thing, grate that. Then I'm gonna do some cilantro for the filling. Now remember, with cilantro, always use the whole thing. This right here, this is flavor, use that. Okay, so flour tortilla. This is a store-bought flour tortilla, it's fine. You could also do my recipe on how to make your own flour tortillas if you want. I'm gonna do my queso Oaxaca down, chorizo, tostada. Then take an avocado. Yes, I know they're kind of expensive right now. I don't wanna get into it. Like literally, dude, 2 avocados, it was $8. $8 for 2 avocados, it's crazy. Take that out. I don't know, will this work? It might work. I could do this, let's do this. Spread it out a little evenly. We're improvising here, people. Okay, avocados down. Then we're gonna do the cilantro. Remember, use all of it. And then I've got these pickled red onions. Stay tuned for the recipe that's coming out. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? Stunning. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is wrap it up. Mine's a little big boy, so it's not gonna stay fully sealed, but I'm gonna seal it. Just stay tuned on how to do that. So I'll put it on parchment for now, just like that. There's our little crunch wrap. Now, don't forget to use a carbon steel pan, a non-stick, or a skillet, and to like and subscribe to the video. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I've got my cheddar cheese over here. This is gonna be very important, so stay tuned for this on how I'm gonna do it. This is my whole setup right here. This is what I got going on. I'm gonna do a touch of rice oil. We'll season it up a bit. And look at that. There's something magical about that. No, don't look at me, dude. Look at this. And now we have a beautiful cheese seal on our crunch wrap. Okay, now over here is the garnish. I'm gonna do what's called a jalapeno toreado. Cutting that guy in half. Then some rice oil right here. You just take this guy, flat side down. If you wanted to, you could deep fry the thing whole. Then we got some flaky salt on our jalapeno toreado. Yo, there we go. Crunch wrap. Is it Crunch Wrap Supreme or just Crunch Wrap? I don't know. Looks so f***ing good. All right, let's cut into this. Damn, she thick, huh? That's a nice picture, huh? Great shot. And you already know, Valentina. Another one of my favorite Mexican pantry items. Delicious. All right, this one's for you, dude.
Thank you.
We kind of already ate some because we made a short and it's really f***ing good. Mmm.